Hello. Okay, this is an web app which is based on the ASP.NET MVC framework, and this is using the Power BI embedded feature, and but it has some dashboards. So if I log in, just click on the login, and the login feature is enabled by the OTP. So I just putting the OTP to log in, and then it will go to the mobile phone for the OTP. And after login, you will get the reports. Okay, the report is loading. So the main feature is that it has just now two modules: the settings and all the reports and dashboard. On the settings, you can create a user, you can see the user activity log, you can give the menu permission of a user, and on the report section, all these are embedded reports. So based on the permission, the reports will be shown on this place, and the user will get all the reports which he get permission from the administrator. So whenever and it can also embed the feature for Google Sheet embedding features. So and all the reports are using the Power BI embedded capacity, and you save all the reports. And this is using ASP.NET MVC framework, and the front end is using AngularJS, and it has the web API and very nice and smooth operation. So if you're interested, just I would like to talk with you about this project, and I think that's all for this time. Thank you.